Introducing the 2024 Volvo XC40 Rchrg Plus EXT RNG. With a sleek grey exterior, 1.5L electric engine and automatic transmission, this estate Jeep is both stylish and eco-friendly. Packed with comfort and safety features like ambient lighting, Bluetooth connectivity, collision avoidance braking and more, you'll feel confident and secure on the road. Plus, with interior luxuries like cup holders and a load cover, you'll be riding in style. Rest easy, knowing this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this top-of-the-line Volvo. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more information today.